So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find rentals with utilities included here on Redfin. So once you guys open up Redfin, I want you to press on the Rent tab right here. Select your place. So I'll go ahead and select New York City and then press on Search. So once your location is selected, I want you to go to the top here to where it says Filters. Then I want you to scroll down to the amenities section right here. And where it says utilities included right here, go ahead and press on that. Then go to the bottom right and press on See Homes. Now what you're going to be seeing is a refined search of rentals that include utilities in them. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can find rentals with utilities included here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.